Wondering which treadmill brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your treadmill purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Wellfit treadmill brand faces poor quality. Second, Jutuna treadmill brand grapples with quality issue. Third, 𝐒𝐿𝐴 treadmill brand encounters noise issue. Fourth, Proform treadmill brand confronts customer is not satisfied. And fifth, Perseo treadmill brand suffers from poor quality, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended treadmill brands, including first one, Nordic Track treadmill, second, Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill, third, Serene Life treadmill, and fourth, 𝐒𝐻𝐿 treadmill. Let's see the comparison. Check the input power to ensure it suits your needs. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. Nordic Track and Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill both featuring a power rating of 220 watts, offering reliable performance for moderate to intense workouts. Conversely, Serene Life and 𝐒𝐻𝐿 treadmills showcase a higher input power of 300 watts, indicating potentially greater motor efficiency and performance capabilities. Verify the maximum user weight for safe usage. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. Nordic Track treadmill stands at an impressive 300 pounds, providing ample support for a wide range of users. Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill follows closely behind with a weight limit of 220 pounds, suitable for many individuals seeking effective workouts. Serene Life treadmill offers a moderate weight capacity of 265 pounds, while 𝐒𝐻𝐿 treadmill matches Nordic Track's capacity with a robust 300 pounds limit, ensuring sturdy and secure usage for users across various fitness levels. As is the maximum horsepower for optimal performance. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brand. Nordic Track treadmill boasts a robust 2.6 horsepower motor, offering ample strength to support intense workouts and continuous operation. Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill provides a slightly lower horsepower at 2.2 horsepower, still capable of delivering reliable performance for a variety of fitness routines. Serene Life treadmill features a more modest 1 horsepower motor, suitable for lighter usage and casual workouts. Conversely, 𝐒𝐻𝐿 treadmill stands out with a powerful 3 horsepower motor, catering to users seeking high performance capabilities and sustained endurance during their exercise sessions. Consider the maximum speed capability for your workout goals. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. Nordic Track treadmill offers a top speed of 10 miles per hour, providing users with the opportunity to engage in challenging and fast-paced running sessions. Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill follows closely behind with a maximum speed of 9 miles per hour, suitable for users seeking effective cardiovascular workouts. Serene Life treadmill features a slightly lower speed limit of 6 miles per hour, ideal for moderate-paced walking or jogging routines. 𝐒𝐻𝐿 treadmill offers a speed of 8.7 miles per hour, balancing performance and safety for users looking for versatile training options. Evaluate the variety of programs available for diverse workouts. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. Nordic Track and Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill both offer 9 programs, catering to various fitness goals and preferences. Serene Life and 𝐒𝐻𝐿 treadmill stand out with 12 programs each, providing an extensive range of workout choices, from cardio to interval training, ensuring users can customize their routines for optimal results and enjoyment. Note where the treadmill is made for quality assurance. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. Nordic Track and Sunny Health and Fitness treadmills are proudly manufactured in the USA, reflecting their commitment to quality craftsmanship and adherence to stringent production standards. Meanwhile, Serene Life and 𝐒𝐻𝐿 treadmills are made in China, showcasing their global presence and leveraging manufacturing expertise to deliver reliable and innovative fitness equipment to users worldwide. See if the treadmill offers convenient app control features. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. All 4 treadmill brands offer the convenience of app control functionality, allowing users to seamlessly integrate their workouts with technology for enhanced tracking, customization, and motivation. Ensure the deck length accommodates your stride comfortably. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. Nordic Track treadmill offers a generous 55-inch deck length, providing ample space for users to comfortably walk, jog, or run with freedom of movement. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill provides a slightly shorter deck length at 49 inches. Serene Life Treadmill features a compact 40-inch deck length, ideal for users with limited space or those seeking a treadmill for walking exercises. 𝐒𝐻𝐵 Treadmill offers a 44-inch deck length, striking a balance between space-saving design and adequate room for comfortable workouts. Check the deck width for stability and safety during use. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. NordicTrack Treadmill offers a spacious 18-inch deck width, providing ample room for natural movement and ensuring a comfortable workout experience. Sunny Health and Fitness, Serene Life, and 𝐒𝐻𝐵 Treadmill all feature a slightly narrower 16-inch deck width, suitable for users with average stride widths and space constraints. Inspect the material used for durability and longevity. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. NordicTrack and Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill both utilize robust alloy steel construction, ensuring long-lasting stability and reliability during intense workouts. Serene Life Treadmill opts for aluminum, offering lightweight yet sturdy construction, ideal for users seeking portability without compromising on quality. 𝐒𝐻𝐵 Treadmill also utilizes alloy steel, emphasizing durability and strength for sustained use over time. Look for any available offers or discounts to save on the purchase. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. All 4 treadmill brands offer attractive discounts and promotions, with a standard markdown of 5% on their manufacturer's recommended price. These discounts provide users with valuable savings opportunities, making high-quality fitness equipment more accessible and affordable. Consider treadmills with high ratings for customer satisfaction. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. NordicTrack Treadmill leading the pack at 32,995 ratings, reflecting widespread customer satisfaction. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill follows closely behind with 9,251 ratings, indicating a strong endorsement. Serene Life Treadmill maintains a solid reputation with 7,350 treadmill ratings, showcasing the brand's commitment. 𝐒𝐻𝐵, with 1,093 ratings, also garners positive feedback, highlighting its growing popularity and recognition among users. Assess the overall build quality for lasting performance. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. NordicTrack and Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill are recognized for their excellent build quality, reflecting sturdy and durable designs. Serene Life Treadmill, while rated slightly lower at good, still offers reliable build quality. 𝐒𝐻𝐵 Treadmill, with its excellent build quality, review the warranty coverage for added peace of mind. Let me see the comparison of each treadmill brands. NordicTrack Treadmill offering a generous lifetime warranty, providing users with peace of mind and assurance in the longevity and durability. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill provides a solid 3-year frame warranty, reflecting confidence in the quality and construction. Meanwhile, both Serene Life and 𝐒𝐻𝐵 Treadmill stand out with an impressive 5-year frame warranty, demonstrating a commitment to exceptional durability and customer satisfaction. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 treadmill brands. All 4 treadmills feature Bluetooth connectivity, enhancing user experience with seamless integration of audio and data. Equipped with shock absorption decks, these treadmills ensure reduced impact on joints for a comfortable and injury-free workout. Featuring LCD display types, users can easily track their workout progress and access essential information at a glance. Each treadmill comes with a convenient device holder, allowing users to keep their devices within reach for entertainment or workout tracking. With built-in water bottle holders, users can stay hydrated during their workouts, promoting endurance and performance. Offering a 3-level manual recline option, these treadmills provide versatility in workout intensity and target muscle engagement. Recognized as the most-selling treadmill brands online, these models boast popularity and trust among fitness enthusiasts worldwide. Featuring foldable soft drop designs, these treadmills ensure effortless storage and space-saving convenience in any home gym setup. Equipped with transportation wheels, these treadmills offer easy portability and relocation for versatile placement options. Integrated pulse sensors provide real-time heart rate monitoring, facilitating effective training and maximizing cardiovascular benefits. Supporting cardiovascular health, these treadmills offer effective workouts that promote heart health and overall fitness. Designed to aid in weight management, these treadmills provide efficient calorie burning and fat loss through consistent exercise routines. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. NordicTrack Treadmill holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill holds strong 4.5 star rating. Serene Life Treadmill has good 4-star rating. 𝐒𝐻𝐵 Treadmill holds a strong 4.5 star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: treadmill, toolkit, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Before purchasing a treadmill, it is essential to scrutinize its motor power, seek user recommendations, assess advanced features, evaluate build quality, and carefully consider the warranty for a well-informed and satisfying investment in your fitness equipment. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.